Today we will talk about how can you find your Simply Scroll on your Urban shop. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on services down here. When you just click on here services, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. So then you come here to uh, when you come here, so you just keep going down here, come here to listen to register gifts, then you click here on scroll simply lists, then it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you find your scroll simply list here, add it here in this list. When you're done, just click here on find simply list and it's going to show for you here. So in here can you shop for your scone here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.